In recent years, social media has seen the rise of a new trend, the trad wife. But what exactly does this term mean? And how do popular influencers like Hannah Neeleman of Ballerina Farm and Nara Smith fit into this narrative? A trad wife, short for traditional wife, typically refers to a woman who embraces traditional gender roles within marriage and family life. This often includes prioritizing homemaking and child rearing over career pursuits, supporting a husband as the primary breadwinner, embracing traditional feminine appearance and behaviors, often associated with conservative religious values, promoting a return to pre-feminist movement lifestyle choices. Hannah Neeleman runs the Ballerina Farm accounts with over 18 million followers across platforms. Her content showcases a traditional lifestyle, homemaking, cooking from scratch, and raising 8 children on a 328-acre Utah farm. Is Hannah a trad wife? Neeleman fits many aspects of the trad wife mold. She prioritizes homemaking and raising her 8 children, showcases traditional skills like baking bread from scratch, presents a modest, feminine appearance associated with Mormon religious values. However, she also has turned her lifestyle into a lucrative business venture, participates in beauty pageants, which isn't typically associated with the trad wife movement. Nara Smith, a 22-year-old South African and German model based in LA, has gained immense popularity with her elaborate recipe videos. With 6.9 million TikTok followers, Smith is known for making everything from scratch, often while dressed in chic outfits. Is Nara a trad wife? While often labeled as a trad wife, Smith's situation is more complex. Trad wife-like characteristics, creates content focused on elaborate home cooking and domestic life, married young and has 3 children under 3, presents a polished feminine appearance in her content, not fitting the trad wife mold, maintains an active modeling career outside the home, has not explicitly promoted trad wife ideology, stated she is still deciding what my faith is, showing less commitment to religious conservatism. Her content creation is a form of work, career, the business of trad wife content. Despite promoting traditional roles, accounts like Ballerina Farm and Nara Smith are modern businesses. Estimates suggest top trad wife influencers could earn significant income from their content. Controversy and criticism. While both Neeleman and Smith have gained massive followings, they've also faced criticism. Some argue their content promotes unrealistic standards and regressive gender roles. These influencers have sparked debates about feminism, choice, and the glorification of traditional roles on social media. The rise of Ballerina Farm, Nara Smith, and other similar influencers reflects a complex conversation about gender roles, social media, and personal choice in the modern era. While they may share some characteristics with the trad wife movement, their stories demonstrate that labels often oversimplify the complex realities of women's lives and choices.